So here's what I like to do pre-market before the market opens. First, I like to review my orders, my selling orders to make sure that I'm not below a pre-market price. So for example, let's say I've got a selling order on AT&T at 37. I'll go make sure that the pre-market for AT&T isn't above 37, isn't trading like above 40 or something. So I'd be missing out on selling at 40 instead of selling at 37. It rarely happens, but that's what I like to double check pre-market if I can every day. So I'll just go to Yahoo Finance. If it's a US stock, I'll go to Yahoo Finance and I'll just check. So AT&T, for example, you could see pre-market it's trading at 33.08, so a little bit higher than what it closed at on Friday, but nothing close to my selling order. Do the same with Ford, but I doubt it's trading any higher. Trading at 9.58 pre-market. Let's look at Starbucks, 53.62. Bank of New York Mellon. There's no pre-market on Bank of New York Mellon right now. So the reason I do this is because it has happened to me at least 5 times where I put a selling order and I realize that at pre-market the stock is trading higher than my selling order. If I didn't change my selling order, I would have sold much lower than what the stock was trading at. I think the last time it happened to me was with Teva Pharmaceuticals. I think I had an average price of 15 and I had a selling order at 17. But the stock was trading at 19 pre-order. So I would have missed out on $2 per share if I just left my order as is. So that's something I like to do pre-market. Also, I like to look for opportunities. Make sure, for example, if I have a buy order at the same time, for example, I have an order on GM, just to make sure if 35.50 is still a good price because it could be trading much lower. So there is no pre-market right now for GM. And sometimes I like to use the brokerage itself. Sometimes they're more precise. So I'll go to Investor's Edge, look up GM. So it's trading at around 36.50, 36.36. Yeah, so there's not much pre-market right now for GM. So I'll keep my order as is. And let's look at L Brands and American Airlines. No pre-market either. And American Airlines, no pre-market either. All right. So Pepsi decides to buy SodaStream for $3.2 billion, and Pepsi will pay $144 per share. So that means, so let's look up SodaStream. So that's great news for people that own SodaStream stock, because look at their pre-market, it's up 10% pre-market. So for those who own SodaStream, let's say they owned it at 129, they already make 10% this morning when they sell at 143, 144. So that's usually what happens when company A buys out company B. Company B's stock is going to go up. And usually company A stock is going to go down a bit. So let's look at Pepsi. So if Pepsi goes down hard, then Pepsi could be a good buying opportunity. Uh, it's going up also, but much less, only not even 1%. All right, so no opportunity there, but definitely those who bought SodaStream are happy right now. Actually, let's see what SodaStream was trading at before. So that 1 month. So SodaStream already went up hard in less than a month actually. So it went from 87 to 110, 111, and then it keeps going up all the way to 129. So it looks like there were rumors probably that it was going to get bought out. So imagine those who bought it at 86 in July or even in end of July, and now it's at 144. So what, 144 divided by 86, so 67% in less than a month for those who bought SodaStream in July. Does it pay any dividends? Nope, no dividends. So I'll look at other things on my watch list and just look up the pre-market. So Tesla's down 3% pre-market, so that's good news for those who want to buy in Tesla. Personally, I want to buy in Tesla when it reaches around like 260, 250. I had initially bought it at 250 and sold it at 325, but then it continued to go up to 380 almost, 390, and now it's dropping again with news on Elon Musk being unstable. So Tesla is definitely a stock to watch. Personally, I'd buy it at around 260. All right, so that's what I do pre-market. Just wanted to share with you guys. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. You can also message me directly on my website, which I'll provide the link below. Also, if you're going to start trading on the stock market and you're going to open an account with Questrade, use my referral code at the bottom of the video. So we could both get between $25 and $250, depending on your initial deposit. Thanks for watching.